1, 2, 3. What's going on, crew? So today we're going to be doing the 3 colors of blue slime challenge, but blindfolded. So
make our slime
we have to pick.
blindfolded.
Yeah, we have to make our slime blindfolded. So this is going to be pretty hard. And Maddie, you cheated last time. Don't cheat again. I saw the footage. I've got my eyes on you. With my piggy eyes.
Oh, I thought you meant you're gonna cheat.
Before we get started, make sure to check out all of our social medias down below to see more stuff that we do. Because we are super fun.
I know, I love fun, right? It's like so amazing.
I know, we're super fun. So let's do this. Yay! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Sue goes first.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes!
Ow!
I always pick paper when she picks rock. I know she's gonna pick rock.
Blindfold on. I got my piggy eyes on you.
Okay,
Maddie, you go first. Oh, let me mix. Oh yeah, I don't need to mix it.
this one.
Okay. Next. I'm just dancing over
This
here.
one. This one should I get? Glitter glue this time. This one.
Okay.
So I'm gonna guess what colors I got. I feel like for this one, I think I got the pink glow in the dark glue. And then for this one, it's the blue color glue. And then this one, the yellow glitter glue.
Yellow. I wanted that.
I'm
I'm gonna go for this one.
I wonder which ones you get.
Where's all the? Is this all glitter glue? So I can feel the bones.
My thing's
I'm
falling.
gonna go for this one. And this one, I think. Okay. I
What do
feel
you
like
think
I
they
got the
are?
yellow glitter glue.
The yellow, I got the yellow, I think.
The purple color glue and the green color glue. I hope I got those. Or instead of the green, I hope I got the blue or either the pink.
Hopefully I got pretty colors. Cause like, I really want pretty colors.
So now we're gonna start putting in our glues. I'm gonna
Okay.
add my glitter glue first.
I'm getting my glitter glue too. Okay, let's get it in. Wait, am I aiming at the bowl?
I'm gonna add one of these square bottles.
Glitter glues are so hard to get out.
I know. Ooh, this is easy to get out.
I'm actually not doing a tip.
Next, I'm gonna add my other square bottle. Oh my gosh. Ow.
Okay, I'm adding in this bottle. I don't know what color it is. Ooh, that's easy. I think it's the clear glue. This
Assistance.
is easy.
Can't open it. Assistance. Assistance. Hello? I think this is purple. Yeah, smells like purple.
Let me spill
The
this
bowl.
one.
The bowl.
This
Ooh,
smells
ooh,
like
kinda
a pink.
Hard.
This smells like a pink.
The other
No.
one is easy.
Oh, this is hard. I hate these. Help me, slime go. Glue gods.
So now we're gonna mix it, and you guys can see how this turns out because we obviously can't see because we have blindfolds on. I wish I could see like if it was a pretty color or not. That's what
Yeah,
I
me
wish.
too.
Let's do this.
Okay.
Okay. Ooh. Yep, this is the bowl. Just making sure.
Okay, this is the bowl because like it feels soft because I'm mixing it. I wonder what color it is. What
Same.
if I got the black glitter glue? It would turn black.
I don't think I got that. I feel like I got yellow, so that's good.
I'm scared.
Did you get black glitter glue?
I don't know.
Oh.
I did.
I didn't. I
don't want my slime to be black. But I'm still keeping it because it's slime, you know.
Activated time.
Okay.
This is it. No.
Oh.
Yes, it is.
Okay, hopefully I pour in a little bit.
I'm scared. I want
Me too. That's probably good. I probably added too much.
Oh no.
Who knows?
Put my hands in it. Accidentally put my hands in it.
Priscilla.
Ooh. Nice. I think I added a good amount. Oh my gosh, this feels so nice.
It does. Oh,
Guys,
slime.
you don't even know. This feels gorgeous. I hope this is gorgeous, like the way it feels. Wow, this is coming together.
I'm trying to add a little bit of activator, but I hope it's a little bit.
I love this challenge. Oh my gosh.
This feels like it has like hair in it.
Oh, yeah, I know that feeling. You guys can look at the inside of it. Is it pretty? Is it? No? I don't know. I hope it is.
Can I smell it?
Why would you want to smell it? It smells like glue.
Cause I know what you got then.
Hurry up.
So that smells like you have one green, yellow, and blue.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh, I was looking for purple.
So
Oh, okay.
it might be green.
Those are actually kind of good colors.
So it's a booger green, that means.
What? How could it be booger?
It's telling me what it is. I don't get how Priscilla's already slime and mine's not.
Okay, guys, now it's time to open our blindfold and see how our slimes turn out and see what colors we got. Ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god, you have green colors! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, this is a unicorn slime! I'm so happy about this! This is like the best slime I ever made!
Mine is a very ugly color.
She got 2 greens and a black, dang it!
Maddie was right. I did get a booger color.
I know.
This must
But
be
the slime,
in someone's very nasty nose.
guess what? That slime, it lied to me.
So our slimes turned out really great, except for my color, but it's really stretchy and soft. It didn't even have shaving cream. It's just amazing, my slime, but the color is...
Okay, so here's my slime. It's amazing, and this time I did not cheat. And I can't believe I got unicorn colors! Woo!
She even wanted those before the video.
Yes, I did. And I really love this because it's so stretchy. And I think I won.
But if they would feel my slime, it's like the bomb.
Mine can make very big bubbles. Wow!
I just made a big bubble! Oh!
Okay, watch this.
Okay, so comment down below which slime you guys like better. I prefer Maddie's because her color, and I actually built hers and it felt good. But I also like mine because the glitter and the way it feels also. And today's shout out goes to Jennifer and Umar. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want a shout out, don't forget to hit that bell button and comment down below.
And if you guys want to be part of the crew, don't forget to subscribe and always stick together.